After watching the experiment video, so please fill in the observations on page 90. I know that we have modified the experiment a little bit. We haven't used the paper cup to hold the reaction mixture. And also, some of the part is not you're not able to complete without doing the experiment by your own hand. So I'll just check the answer for you. But please use a pencil to mark down, try to mark down the observation first, and then check your answers afterwards. Now I'm going to switch the channel to the PowerPoint and check the answers for you. So for question number four, the reaction mixture actually becomes more and more viscous. Now, of course, I know that from the video, we can't test the viscosity. I haven't shown the viscosity. I just show the process. The liquid becomes harder and harder. But here, I give you the information is the colorless liquid becomes more and more viscous. And then for question number 5, I know that you can't feel anything from the video, but if we can do this in the school laboratory, actually the reaction mixture becomes warmer. 其實都幾辣手嘅呢個 case. And finally, for question number 7. So from the video, this one will be very obvious. The appearance of the product form, it turns from a colorless liquid to colorless solid. Now, although I know that there is some color from the initiator, it makes the final product purple, but in general, the main part of the mixture becomes colorless solid. And finally, 7b, how can we write the work equation for the process for the polymerization? Each time you need to think about what is the monomer. So the starting material, it is the styrene. And after the process of polymerization, how can we call this? 佢出嚟嗰隻咩 product 啊？好簡單嘅啫，俾個字頭佢 ，call 個 poly 出嚟，俾個 poly 字頭佢，佢就叫做 polystyrene。or this one is called polystyrene。日常生活簡稱嘅叫做 PS 加，得唔得？呢隻叫做 PS 加。Okay, so please go back to the worksheet. I need to fill in something with you again to summarize how can we write the equation for the polymerization process. 好，唔好意思，我都係罰抄嘅啫。Polymerization of styrene. How can we write the work equation? Starting material, the monomer styrene, give it an arrow, and then the product will be polystyrene. 使唔使加括號？加唔加都得。呢個 case 唔使加嘅。加括號嗰個係 Form 5嘅寫法，咁你 Form 3就咁俾個 poly 嘅字頭 OK 啦。嗱 ，another material it is called vinyl chloride. It can also undergo polymerization. 咁你估下啦，條 equation 點寫啊 ？What is a monomer? Vinyl chloride 咯，所以罰抄 vinyl chloride. So polymerization 俾個箭嘴佢，咁佢叫咩名啊？俾個 poly 出嚟啦 ，call 個 poly 出嚟，召喚 poly 出嚟 ，poly vinyl chloride 呢隻就係日常生活聽過嘅 PVC 膠，我係 PVC polyvinyl chloride. Now here are some of the examples of polymerization of some substances. Some substances they are able to join together one by one repeatedly. So the product form, the large molecule form, the polymer form is called poly something. Now actually some of the polymers they occur naturally， 自然界都有 polymer， 身體入邊都有 polymer。好，你 bio 可能聽過嘅。So you may learn this in biology. Starch, it is actually a polymer of something. Cellulose is also polymer of something. A protein is also polymer of something. 唔知你知唔知啊？好啦，我而家開估啦喎。你可以上 Google search 嘅。Starch it is actually the polymer of glucose 葡萄糖嘅 polymer. How about cellulose? Cellulose is also a polymer of glucose. 不過如果你大學讀 biochem 嘅話，呢個隻 glucose 有少少唔同嘅。Starch it is a polymer of something called alpha glucose. Cellulose is something, this is a polymer of something called beta glucose. But Form 3, I just need you to know about they are polymers of glucose. 我俾分你㗎啦，呢啲爆 chem 先讀嘅 ，DSE 都唔會讀 alpha and beta glucose 嘅。How about protein？ 我哋可能有學嘅 protein 入落個身體消化咗 ，after digestion they will break down to the monomer. Actually, what is a polymer of protein? They are polymer of amino acids. 如果大陸包 chem 你就會知道唔止一種 amino acid， 唔同種類嘅 amino acid form 咗 join together repeatedly 出嘅 polymer 就會出唔同嘅 protein 嘅。Now, in this worksheet, I have introduced what are polymers. In the first short summary, polymers, they are molecules formed by joining many small molecules repeatedly. 好多細小 molecule join 成大嘅就係叫 polymer. Joining process is called polymerisation. 咁同之前嗰啲 pass 嗰啲有咩關係啊？原來頭先有講嘅 ，some polymers they occur naturally, but some polymers they are only made by human. We call them man-made polymers or synthetic polymers. 呢字好深喎，其實就係你平時生活聽到嘅嘢。These kind of polymer they are actually called plastics. 原來所謂嘅塑膠就係人造嘅 polymer. Okay, so please take out your textbook and we need to have some first short review summary and underlining for the start of chapter 42. So please turn to page 84. Okay, turn to page 84 and then we're going to have some first short summary here and short review here.